This is my robotic soldering station. It's made from a wood CNC. It's got 3 axes and the table moves back and forth. You can see that thing to the right there my finger's on is the little controller. And then I'm going to show it moving around. You can change how much it moves. It can move 10 millimeters at a time, or 1 millimeter, or 5, or even 0.1 millimeters. That's the soldering iron. You can see the tip there. This is a magnifying camera. And there's a mobile app that I'm viewing in my Vision Pro, and you can see the close-up from that the microscope camera there. I'll show you moving around a little bit now. I'm going to change it to be very fine pitch movement, and then you can see as I push the buttons, that soldering iron tip is just barely moving compared to the board. It's actually moving the board, but they're in relation to each other. And you can see those pins on that processor are 0.5 millimeters, so half millimeter. And as I move the tip, you'll be able to see it can move less than the width of one of those pins. So it was perfect for soldering. My hands normally shake, so I can't solder very well on really fine pitch things. But with this, I'm actually able to solder very well. And I was able to solder those 2 wires on there with it.